First, watch this video. Then I'll show you exactly how to create it in CapCut.
What's your name? You don't know. I know your name. I just want to know if you know your name.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to give your videos a premium professional After Effects vibe using only CapCut, you have landed on the perfect video. Today, I am going to break down exactly how to recreate these smooth high-end effects easily. Make sure you do not skip any parts so you do not ruin the timing. Grab your devices and let us jump straight into the tutorial. First, add a black overlay to your clip. Then add your text and go to the fonts section. From there, select the Prohibition font. After that, open Style, go into Spacing, and set the character spacing to 2. Now head over to the Animation tab and apply any smooth animation you like. For this edit, I'm using Fade In and Fade Out. Set both of them to 0.5 seconds for a clean and smooth look. Once your text animation is ready, export the video. Now come back and tap on the text layer again. Go to Style and lower the opacity all the way down to 0. Then open the stroke option and increase it to 18. After that, export the video again. Next, create a new project and import the first exported video. Now add the overlay clip. I'll provide the overlay link in the description. Adjust the overlay properly so it fits perfectly with the text. Then go to Splice and select Slide Mode. After that, add the second exported text video as an overlay. Align it carefully with the first video. Now go back into Splice and choose Filter. Once everything looks good, export the video again. Create another new project and add your main clip, the clip where you want to use this text effect. After adding the main clip, import the final text video on top of it. Then go to Splice and select Filter once again. Now adjust the text according to your video style and positioning. Next, open the Effects tab and apply the Glow to effect. Extend the effect so it matches the full length of the text clip. Then tap on the effect, go to Object, and select Overlay. After that, open Adjust inside the effect settings. Set the glow to 80% and the size to 100. And that's it, your glowing text effect is now complete. Now export your video in high quality and your final result is ready. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope this helps you master smooth style text animations directly inside CapCut. If you found this valuable, please drop a like and subscribe for more advanced editing breakdowns. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next video.